Hey everyone, today we're diving into Audi's latest leap into the future. The Premium Platform Electric, or PPE, for those who think fuel is so last century. Developed with Porsche, it's like the Swiss Army knife of electric mobility, but looks way more relaxed and doesn't fit in your pocket. The PPE is not just about embracing electric power, it's about redefining your driving experience. Imagine a spacious, comfortable living room on wheels, infused with the exhilaration of a sports car. This innovative design not only maximizes interior space, but also ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride, whether you're running errands or embarking on a road trip. Let's dive into the juice. The PPE features robust batteries and powerful motors. Imagine a power plant on wheels, offering vast range to make gas stations a distant memory. Experience swift city drives or extended journeys without range worries. Digitalization? Audi's dialed it up to 11 with its new e-tron 1.2 electronics architecture. It's like having a supercomputer from the future under your hood, making everything from the dashboard to the drivetrain more innovative than your average luxury SUV. And for those who dread the charging wait, the PPE fast charges so quickly you'll barely have time to grab a coffee before you're back on the road. It's got an 800-volt spine that zaps it to life faster than you can post about it on social media. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising along the open highway, Audi's Q6 e-tron Quattro under the PE banner is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a testament to Audi's commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. With zero emissions, zero noise, and zero reliance on fossil fuels, it's a high-powered charge toward a cleaner, quieter world. Get ready, because Audi is leading the way into a greener, techier future, one electrifying ride at a time.